Hi guys, here we come to the Chevron wash here, the car wash.
Soft touch or touch free?
Let's just do touch free.
After all that excitement last night, a lot of players have trouble sleeping when there's a day game the next day after a night game because you're so fired up for the game. There's so much adrenaline
Here,
going on.
pull in the window, please.
Pull in the mirrors. Let's turn this off. There's a green light saying drive ahead. Keep going. Stop. Back up. There we go. There it goes. So here are the two side brushes. There's the top brush up there. Here comes that thing. Looks like it's gonna do high pressure. I think it's doing mist. Here comes the machine back. I think it's making more soap. Alright, and oh, looks like the brushes were spinning, but no, that's a high pressure wash now. It's either the sprayers right here.
Because we chose touch free.
Uh-huh. The sprayers rinse off the soap. Here comes that thing coming down again. And here comes the rinse. And hopefully soon there'll be the brushes. Holy heck, that is it.
It's fast.
That was only a high pressure wash. That's weird. When you ever do touch free, it doesn't do brushes, it only does high pressure wash. Wait, hey, look at the time. Your windshield isn't dry enough. You went too fast. That is it. Live here. Take off washing, and I'm out next time.